Hi, we're going to make beef with Chinese broccoli. We use the broccoli, the Chinese broccoli like that, and you cut it to little pieces, so you have to cut and like that. Cut it just a short strip. And a lot of time you don't need to do anything on the base of the vegetable because it may be tough, but that's as long as well we're doing it. Just cut some of the skin off, and you just slide the middle open like that, and they're easier to cook. And how to cook this? We boil the water. We put the oil in it, and also you put a teaspoon of sugar in it. After that, you put this broccoli in it. So you make it like around 5 minutes. After a few minutes, you try it. You can use a fork or spoon to cut it in. Just let it sit. And the beef we use is the New York strip, and so we don't have to marinate them and tenderize them. If you want to do the other meat, we have to tenderize them and do that. So this time we use a good choice beef. So little pepper, white pepper in it, and some salt. Little sesame seed oil. Then you mix them up. Okay. Then after that, you put the eggs in it. Just put half the eggs in it. Then you mix them up. Okay. Then you put some cornstarch in it. Okay, maybe a little bit more. So after that, you put the oil in it. I think the meat is okay. So I think the vegetable is about done. You can see that color. You can see the color is the deeper color inside. This is about a few minutes right now. So otherwise, you can pick one up and eat it. You can pick one up like little pieces like that. You can pick one up and eat it. Maybe another minute. Okay, I think this should be done. See, I think they're done. Okay, then now we do the cook right now. We have to turn on the heat. So we make it on, and we turn it up to, we try 555 degrees. Okay, and you push start. Alright, then now we're gonna put some oil in it. See, they're real hot. You can see the smoke coming out. Alright, then now we're gonna stir fry the beef. So they are pretty good. You know, you have to kind of brown them a little bit. You can see the brown color. Then the beef are real easy to cook. Yeah, they're coming out almost done right now. See, you can see almost browning everything right now. Okay, then we put a couple slices of gingers in it. Little garlic, half a teaspoon of garlic. And some white pepper. Then sesame seed oil, a little bit of sesame seed oil. And cooking sherry. Two tablespoons. And one sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We put the cooked broccoli in it, Chinese broccoli. We put the Chinese broccoli in it. Yeah, we want to thicken the sauce a little bit, so we just add a little bit of cornstarch in it, in water, just a little bit of water and cornstarch, like that. You don't want it to be real runny, but if you're okay, that's fine. But I like it not runny, you know, kind of shielded, you know, like that, you know. I think that's it, and it's done. And that's a beef with Chinese broccoli.